Are you ready to hang your bat house? In this video, we'll take you through the steps for installing your bat house on a wooden pole. If you want to mount it on a wall or on a metal pole, see our other video guides. But for now, let's dive in. To install your BatBnB on a wooden pole, you will need a drill or screwdriver, a level, either a 4x4 or a 4x6 pressure-treated pole that is a minimum of 20 feet long. You will also need a shovel or a post hole digger, one bag of Quikrete or traditional concrete, and one post protector that's optional. The first process is to attach the bat house. Step 1. Secure the mounting piece. Lay your pole straight down and place the mounting piece about 4 inches from the top of the pole. Make sure it is level and that the wide pre-drilled holes are facing you. Pre-drill the holes into the pole and secure it with the included screws. Step 2. Slide the bat house into place. Take the mounting cleats, which come attached to the back of the BatBnB, and slide them down onto the mounting piece. Step 3. Secure the safety bracket. Flip down the metal bracket at the base of the BatBnB and secure it to the pole using a screw. Now the pole is ready to be raised. The second process is to set up the pole. Step 1. Choose the location. Choose a location that gets plenty of sun and is about 20 feet away from major tree branches. Before digging your hole, make sure there are no wires or utility lines underneath that you could accidentally cut in the process. Depending on where you live, you can contact 811 to find out what areas are safe to dig into. Step 2. Dig the hole. The hole should be roughly 3 to 4 feet deep and ensure it's wide enough to accommodate the pole's width. Using a post hole digger helps simplify the digging process. Step 3. Optional. Attach the post protector. Post protectors can help deter post decay. Obtain one that fits the pole's diameters and insert it by sliding it up as far as it will go. Fasten it according to its instructions. There's a link in the description. Step 4. Raise the pole. Make sure you have at least 2 to 4 people to help with this step. The pole can be heavy and we don't want anyone getting hurt. Slowly lower the pole into the hole. Once inserted, hold the pole steady, either with several hands or with a built wooden brace, until the pole has been secured. Step 5. Stabilize the pole. Check all sides of the pole with a level to correct any leaning. Once it is in position, stabilize your pole by using approximately 1 bag of the quick setting Quikrete. If your pole hole is quite wide, you may need additional bags. Rather than purchasing a concrete mixer, you can simply mix the concrete in the hole by alternating pouring concrete and water and using a metal rod to mix the two thoroughly together. Again, you may want to nail in a few wooden support beams so that the pole remains in position while the concrete sets. Be sure to double check the level of the pole after the step is completed. Great work! Your BatBnB is now fully functional. Thanks for providing these important mammals with a safe place to live. Check out our other videos for more bat house tips and information. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.